Hello everyone, I'm happy to welcome you to my presentation on developing a digital strategy proposal for a multinational corporation. For this project, I have chosen to focus on Tata Motors, a key company within the larger Tata Group. Let's start with a short introduction to the group itself. The Tata Group was founded by Jamsetji Tata in 1868 and it is now a global business based in Mumbai, India. It includes over 30 different companies in areas like technology, steel, telecommunication, and automotive. And it operates in more than 100 countries across 6 continents. As of the 2023-2024 financial year, the total revenue of Tata companies was over 165 billion US dollar, and together they employ more than 1 million people. Tata Motors compete with global brands like Mitsubishi, Hyundai, and Tesla. According to the Asia Top 100 rankings for 2025, Tata Group is ranked 28 overall and is still number 1 in India. Now let's take a closer look at Tata Motors, the part of the group that makes cars and trucks. Tata Motors makes vehicles for all kinds of users, from regular cars to electric vehicles and large commercial trucks. But the company is now doing much more than just building vehicles. It's entering the digital age by developing something called software-defined vehicle or SDVs. These vehicles can get updates over the internet just like how your phone gets software updates. Tata is also using real-time data, artificial intelligence, AI, and smart customer service tools to improve both how the vehicle work and how customers interact with them. Each month, they process over 100 terabytes of data to create highly personalized driving experience. So, in short, Tata Motors is no longer just building cars, it's building a smart, connected, and customer-focused driving experience. Now that we understand Tata Motors and its digital journey, let's move to a short analysis looking at its digital strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We can think of this as part of the technology section of a Presta analysis because it's focused on how technology affects the company decision and market strategy. Starting with the strengths, Tata Motors has a clear digital vision. It follows the CESS model: connected, electric, share, and safe. One of its biggest strengths is the Connected Vehicle Platform or CVP, which connects vehicles to digital systems and allows for personalized service. It also has platforms like Fleet Edge and a strong digital-first approach to electric vehicles. By working with Tata Power, they've even connected charging stations directly to the EV network. Another great step is their Click-to-Drive platform, an online service that allows people to buy a car completely online, linked with over 750 dealerships. However, there are weaknesses too. Tata digital tools are not fully connected. Different apps like IRA, Z-Connect, and Tata.ev work separately, which can confuse customers, especially those who own more than one type of vehicle. Also, some customers, especially older ones, may feel unsure or worry about using digital features, often due to privacy concerns or a lack of understanding. Moving on to opportunities, Tata Connected Car collect huge amount of data. This data can be used to improve services, for example, predicting when maintenance is needed or creating more personalized driving features. There is also an opportunity to work with startups such as Torque Motors for electric vehicle tech or MapMyIndia for better maps and navigation. They can also make better use of AI to improve both production and customer service. For example, by predicting car performance, spotting technical issues early, or offering more tailored features, Tata can make their customers happier and more loyal. And finally, the threats. Globally, digital vehicle technology is advancing very fast. While Tata is a leader in India, other companies are moving quicker in areas like over-the-air updates and full digital ecosystem. Cybersecurity is also a big concern. As cars get more connected, the risk of hacking or data leak increases, and this can affect customers' trust. So, to stay ahead, Tata needs to bring its digital tools together, strengthen its EV ecosystem, and keep investing in AI-driven systems for both production and customers' experience. As we can see, digital strategy offers many advantages, but having a strategy is just the first step. Companies like TATA Motors must keep updating and improving their digital plans to stay competitive and to ensure that it meets the current market demand. In this part of the presentation, I will focus on two key areas where TATA can strengthen its digital strategy. First, by improving its supply chain integration, and second, by enhancing its customer experience through digital tools and e-business methods. Let's begin with the supply chain. Today's vehicle industry is changing rapidly with electric vehicles, global suppliers, and faster delivery systems. To keep up, Tata needs a smarter digital supply chain. One useful model is the 5C framework by Simon Ellis. According to this model, a good digital supply chain should be connected, collaborative, cyber-aware, cognitively enabled, and comprehensive. At Tata Motors, some of this is already happening. For example, factories in Pune and Sanat use smart sensors to check machine performance and send alert when maintenance is needed. This reduces breakdown and keep production on schedule. Tata can also use cloud-based systems to connect departments like design, production, and marketing, especially helpful when working on both electric and fuel-based vehicles. To improve security, Tata can follow a zero-trust model, which means every login or system access is checked and verified, reducing the risks of cyber threats. And finally, by using data from multiple sources such as weather, customer behavior, or market trends, Tata can make smarter decisions about how many vehicles to produce and when. Together, these steps will turn Tata's supply chain into a smarter, faster, and more flexible digital system. Now, let's look at how Tata can improve its customer experience using digital tools. One powerful tool is AI-driven personalization. By using customer data and learning from their behavior, Tata can offer custom product suggestions, vehicle updates, and better support. For example, if a customer logs into the Tata app, the system could show options based on their past searches such as electric cars, budget-friendly models, or safety ratings. Tata can also upgrade the Thet Hnin app so it's not only tracks the vehicle but also predict problems, suggest nearby service station, and automatically schedule maintenance. This keeps customers happy and encourages them to stay within the Tata system. Another great idea is to build an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT for the Tata website and app. This assistant could answer questions like where's the nearest charging station or what's the price of the 2025 SUV model. This will make it easier for users to get help anytime without needing to speak to a human agent. All of this will strengthen Tata's ECRM or electronic customer relationship system, helping the company serve customers faster, recommend the right products, and build stronger loyalty over time. Now, let's talk about how to put these strategies into action and how to measure their success. Let's take the example of the AI-based virtual assistant. The first step is to set clear goals. For this project, the goals could be offering customer support 24/7 in different languages and sending vehicle health updates directly to users. To measure success, Tata can use some key metrics, for example, looking at customer satisfaction score before and after the assistant is launched, and how quickly the assistant responds, aiming for under 10 seconds. Next, Tata must do some research, checking what system they already have and reviewing past customers' feedback. They can also involve teams from different departments to find any problem in the current system. Some risks, like privacy concern or incorrect suggestion from the AI, should be addressed by using clear, explainable AI and doing regular checks for errors and bias. To stay organized, the project should follow a clear timeline using agile methods, where updates are made in small steps. One milestone could be releasing a basic version of the assistant and improving it later. Every task should be assigned to the right team, including help from TCS, another Tata company. And finally, it's important to track how well resources like data, time, and budget are being used. This ensures that the company is making progress without wasting money. With a strong plan, clear goals, and regular check, Tata Motors can successfully launch its AI assistant and continue to lead in digital innovation. In conclusion, this strategy is not just about adding new tools or technology, it's about helping Tata Motors become a fully digital customer-focused and globally competitive company. By connecting all parts of the business, product supply chain, and customer touchpoints, Tata can lead the way in the digital automotive future. Tata is already progressing with digital transformation, but more integration and personalization are needed. If we combine smart supply chain and AI-driven customer journey, long-term success will be achieved. With proper planning and implementation, Tata Motors can remain a leader in both the Indian and global digital automotive landscape. Thank you so much for your attention. Here is the very first page of the reference list that I have been using in this presentation. Here is the second page of the reference link, and you can take a look if you are interested in the real sources. Here is the last page of my reference links. Thank you so much for your attention, and thank you for being here with me today.